Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the starship Enterprise. Its 5-year mission, to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilization, to boldly go where no man has gone before.
Hi and welcome back. So I've started work on the final electronic components for the model, the parts that'll be going in the base. So first up, if you watched the video I recommended from Trevor Ostrich Longneck, this is the voltage regulator, power regulator that I've built. I've built a little box to house everything in. So this is designed so my voltage regulator will slide in. I'm going to use these wires to connect it to the jack via the switch, because then I can unplug it if I need to do anything, fix anything on it ever. You never know with capacitors and diodes and fuses, they can always blow. So I'll have the ability to pull things out to correct. On my little box, I've cut a hole that the jack will fit through when I'm ready to stick it in. I've also, there's a lid for this whole unit, so the switch, so that'll fit in there, and then this will become part of the final base when I'm ready to actually put all that together. I'm going to get this painted up. I want it to be a gloss black, so I'm just going to undercoat very quickly from spray can, and spray can from black as well. I'll get it painted and we'll get back to you. Right, so I've got my box for my power supply painted up. Looks a lot better. You can see the whites are masked off all around the top, so I will still have a nice surface for gluing. Next step, I need to get some wires soldered onto the jack plug, the switch, and my little voltage regulator. Make sure that's the right way around. So I'll get them wires soldered up and get back to you. Right, so I've got all the wiring up done now for my power supply. So how it works is, obviously power in, all red wires are live, black are ground. So power comes in into my LED on off switch, so when it's on, obviously grounded back, ground out, live wire, which will just small. Plug, it will plug in. We'll just plug in through my voltage regulator. So now whatever voltage I put in, 7 to 12 volts, it'll just have 5 volts at 500 amps coming out, and then connecting to elsewhere. Just plug in, and then this will go onto the main circuit board. So now I've just got to get all this inside my little box I built and all sealed up. So we'll get it all in there, sealed up, all glued up, and connect it up to something to see it all working. Okay, so everything is fitted together now. I've not glued the switch or the socket in to place because when I build the actual base, I'll probably have to make fresh holes for them to go through, so it makes more sense for them not to be glued in now, so they can just come out and go back in, which is part of the modular nature of this. So this works by plug the voltage regulating board in. That just slots into place. I should have probably plugged these in first before I pushed it in, be easier. Connect up the 2 wires that will go to a piece of equipment. For now it's just 2 LEDs for just to show it working. Connect up and power on. The switch comes on like a light on too, and we have power going through at 5 volts, 500 milliamps. So that's all done. I'll again put the link into Ostrich Longneck's video for the exact components on this voltage regulator. And it's back to sanding now for me that I've done this little bit of electronics. But thanks for watching this time. Keep trekking and keep modelling. Thank you. Bye bye.